Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So y'all, I'm gonna make this video quick because I think Chris is about to get ready to turn the lawnmower in, but I want to share with you what I have been doing. I had to make a new space and it was 85 today, so I had to come out in spurts, and stay hydrated, stay very hydrated. When you break ground, it always takes a while, and I just keep telling myself, once you get everything together, we'll be on a maintenance schedule. But the purpose of this video, y'all, I'm gonna plant a new tomato right here in the ground. I've added a little bit of compost to the soil. I've told you that since we've moved, that this soil right here in the Atlanta area is very red and clay. But the good thing about it is every time I start to dig a new place for the garden, lots of earthworms. And so that lets me know that, we can continue to build this soil over years, but it all starts with a starting point. So what I'm going to do is share with you what I'm planting. I hope I can get all of the plants in this one area because this really is like a small area. I have my tomato cage right here. We have a determinate tomato that we're going to plant, but it's one that I've never heard of. And so when I went to the growers outlet, and I'll make sure that I link that video, I just had to try it. Now I don't know if I'll like it, but when I share it with y'all let me know, have you tried it, have you grown it, and how do you like it? So let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna make it super fast because I feel like the nighttime is about to catch me again like it did the other day. But I really wanted to move out of Chris' way, and I couldn't film while he's cutting the grass. And you may hear a little remnant, but he's actually in the front now. But I trimmed up the gym. I planted 2 of them. I'm gonna go ahead and put the 3rd one in there, but I wanted to share with y'all the type of tomato that I'm planting. It's a determinate tomato, and it's like an open-pollinated tomato. So depending on how far away I put other tomato plants, I could actually save these seeds and they'll come back true to type. Okay, so when I first saw this, y'all, I was like, this must be a mistake because I've heard of the Elberta peaches, the actual fruit, but when I saw this, I was like, Elberta peach tomato. So I looked it up as I was at the growers outlet, and it has the fuzz on there like the peach, and it's like a orangish red. I'm gonna see how I like it. I've never had it, and I've never actually heard of it, but I think it'll be super cool to grow in the garden. So that's where we're gonna put that tomato at, in that space. So let me go ahead and get it planted. I want to get everything watered in. Now they say it's going to rain tomorrow, but it's like tomorrow afternoon. And let me tell y'all, they said that the other day, I think I felt like 3 drops and it was over. So I want to get this planted before night catches me. So let's see how I do. Okay, so really quickly, I still have to water this in. I'm gonna do it quick, and then I'll put some straw mulch on here probably tomorrow because I hear the nighttime animals, and that's my cue to go ahead and go in. But we have the peach right here, and I'm the Elberta peach tomato, and I'm really eager to taste it and to see how it tastes. So again, if y'all have grown this before, or if you've heard of it, put it in the comments, let us know. I do like peaches. We have a peach tree that is right here that are getting peaches, but it will be interesting to see like the fuzz on the tomato like in my salad. Like I always tell people, I'll try anything once, but I think it'll probably be okay. And again, I have my grow oil right here. We have a link in our description with a special coupon code. I use these throughout the garden when I'm planting in ground because we don't have irrigation ran. So this helps me out a whole lot. Now, I'm not saying that you don't have to water, but it can definitely help you. Okay, y'all, so let me get my garden tools put up. Let me give this area a deep watering because again, they say it's supposed to rain tomorrow, but it's tomorrow afternoon, and then we might get about 7 drops. I don't want to chance it like that. because all of these plants really needed to get out the pot. And normally when I water, I give everything a good drink of water. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead, tap the subscribe button. Make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.